Hello, my name is Jennifer Martinez. I present the development of the classroom to lesson plans where I use the same but different activities. Initially, I will do the warm-up that consists of 10 minutes where the students will take turn reading 6 inspirational quotes about the past. Then they will share their ideas about the verses they liked the most. For the development of this activity, I will use the audiovisual room computer notice. For the present part, we will explain how they describe a party using simple verbs, but before that they will be asked to use the past of the verbs and they will be asked questions but such as what was the last party to went to, and what did you do there, the forms of accepting or rejecting are also present through the following questions. So, who was the party, or how did you like the party, or did you have a good time? For the practice, the objective is to describe a party that the students attended. The students will guess the past form of the set of verbs and learn some usual expression to describe positive and negative experience at the parties. For example, I had a good time. I did not have a good time. For production, all the students will answer the following question using the vocabulary for expression. Show a dove. Did you have a high school graduation party? What happened? What did you do on your last birthday? And did you have a birthday party? And who did you like the party? And finally, a segment. Write a paragraph about the last party you attended using the simple past. And no more. And thank you so much.